with a further explanation for the project of CS50, Introduction to Programming with Python. It was really helpful, course, fun, and full of useful information. This code took more time than the other problem sets, and let me walk you through the code and the program's features. And we'll start with authentication that asks for a first-time password and must be more than 5 characters. Main menu that gives the options, which are list saved password, that list password and its linked information with an arrow, as we'll see in the live demo. Then the option to add the password, and also the option to edit the password and generate a password and copy to clipboard, and finally search for a password using the keyword. There's installable pip libraries out of the standard libraries of Python. One of them was paperclip, and the other is term color for the colors of the error messages. Let's open the terminal and start the program. It will ask for a first-time password that will be rejected if it's than 5 characters. So let's try, and it saved successfully. The program doesn't have the option to edit the master password, but this feature will be added in the future, and I'll be making videos of debugging and adding some features for the project. If I try to list a password, it tells me there is no saved passwords yet, so let's go and add a password. So all I have to do is type the password, let's say password, and the related or linked account separated with a comma. If I put something other than a comma, say a dot, and I can type Facebook, it gives me that it's an invalid input and I have to separate password and the keyword with a comma only. So let's try again. Test password and Facebook. It tells me that the password and the linked information are successfully saved and gives me a note that my password is fair. I consider adding a special character or use the generate password feature. If I go back to the main menu and list my passwords, it gives me the test password is linked to Facebook. I can add a password, and if the program finds the password of different accounts are repeated, it will give me a warning that my password is repeated, and check my list password for security. So if I go back to main menu, I can add the password. Let's say Instagram. I'd like to edit the Instagram password, so I can enter the keyword, which is Instagram, but I'll try to write it in a full sentence. It tells me there is no matching password. Exit. So I remember now that I have listed as IG, so I remember that. Then I say no. IG gives me the old password is test password, and enter a new password. Let's try new password. It tells me password is updated successfully. I can also generate a password by providing a length, let's say 10. It gives me a 10 randomly generated characters, and the option to copy to clipboard. If I say yes, it tells me that it's copied to clipboard and I can paste it anywhere. Let's go back to main menu and search for a password using the keyword, let's say Facebook. It tells me there's a matching password that is test password, and these are the main menu options, and I'll be adding some features and improvements for the program and discuss it in future videos. Now let's exit the program and take a look. Add the files which the program password are saved in, and also the saved passwords. They are saved in CSV file. the program password is saved in a txt file. Like I mentioned before, a feature of editing the master password and some other features in the future. Stay tuned for the updates, and that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.